Colorado at 6. Residents of an HOA community in Arvada are bracing for their monthly dues to take a big jump thanks to seismic changes in the insurance industry brought about in part by climate change. CBS News Colorado investigator Brian Moss reports on what's happening to this one HOA is happening across the state, affecting tens of thousands of Coloradans.
Our view is that's Stanley Lake.
Bob Hunter moved to Arvada 5 years ago, choosing the Leiden Rock neighborhood, surrounded by open space and expansive views.
They say there are 17 miles of trails within Leiden Rock. We really do enjoy living here.
Bob lives in the Patio Villa community, which has its own HOA. But last year, the insurance company that covered these homes canceled the policy, a broad trend in the insurance industry, with carriers facing too many claims over severe disasters like fires, hail, and windstorms.
I think what we're seeing is a paradigm shift.
Nick Strong is a commercial insurance risk manager in Colorado who says the root cause is easily identified.
We're seeing more and more catastrophic losses, which is being tied to climate change. It's all connected.
Colorado is listed as one of 18 states in 2023 where insurers lost money on homeowners coverage. In 8 of the last 10 years, Colorado has been listed as a state where homeowners insurance has been unprofitable for the insurance industry.
They've seen a lack of profitability over the last 5-10 years.
So some insurers are pulling out, others being more selective about who they insure.
The stairs weren't there.
With their last insurance company canceling, Bob's HOA had to scramble.
We went to about 20 insurance companies and in actuality got back one quote.
Just one insurance company was interested in insuring this community. Bob's HOA had paid about $55,000 a year for insurance. The new policy will be 3 times as much, costing about $175,000 each year.
Just the insurance is going to raise the monthly dues for each person by probably between $100 and $120.
That's about a 33% increase in HOA dues for each homeowner. Much of this trend driven by unprecedented incidents like the Marshall Fire, a devastating wildfire in the middle of winter in an area that previously was not considered high fire risk.
A lot has changed in the last 2 years in the insurance industry.
And, says Nick Strong, there will be many more HOAs in coming months and years that will be in the same predicament as Bob Hunter.
And I'm certainly a believer in climate change and the impact that it's having.
An economic impact linked to climate change, right here, right now. Insurance companies are also decreasing how much they will insure and considering other restrictions on HOA policies as they try to find ways to stay out of the red. So, Kelly, there's a lot going on in this climate change insurance space right now.
Well, sure. But so, Brian, we've seen storms, we've had wildfires here in Colorado. What's different now compared to years ago?
Well, you've lived here for years, so you know we all go through these events. But the insurance industry believes the disasters that we're seeing now are bigger, more catastrophic, and more costly than anything we've ever seen before. Partly because rebuilding and replacement costs are now so much more. So insurance companies are increasing premiums or they're pulling out of states completely, like what we're seeing here in Colorado. And as Nick Strong, the insurance expert, said, this is all connected to climate change and to a lot of other factors.
A lot of factors happening there. Well, thank you so much for your reporting,
You bet.
Brian. Well, Brian has done extensive work on HOAs, including how some are rewriting policies to ban gas grills. You can watch all of Brian's reports right now on CBSColorado.com. Now to the gunman.